Hey there, humanoids. Mr. Nooks and Crannies here. Today we are at Aventura Hotel at Universal Orlando Resort. Now we are here for a 4-night stay to celebrate my 45th birthday, and we have secured a deluxe king room. Now there are only 12 of these rooms at the hotel, but I believe we might have got the pick of the litter. I'm going to say it's the best view from any hotel room here at Universal Orlando Resort. So why don't you pack your things and come right this way. All right, this is the main lobby. Check-in is straight ahead. The Universal desk is there and to the right. This is the Destination Universal Vacation Planning Center, where you can either pick up tickets that you've already purchased or buy ones fresh for your whole resort. They're normally open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day. First, we got the Universal Studios store, where you can get anything that you miss from the parks and additional toiletries and such. But look, there is Relay, the delivery robot. Yeah, it makes deliveries to the rooms, but you can also tell jokes. Let's see here. What was the robot's favorite nursery rhyme? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Oh, shenanigans. Of course, there's also a full Starbucks here in the lobby for all of your piping hot caffeinated needs. Here's the lobby bar, Bar Ventura, where you can get your adult beverages. All right, just beyond the Starbucks is Urban Pantry. It's going to be your main food court here at Aventura Hotel. So give a look. Right, here is the Urban Pantry food court there. You've got burgers and grilled items. There's a wood fire pizza and gelato down there. All right, let's head up to the 12th floor and I'll show you what I'm talking about when it comes to this room here. Here's the elevator bank. And we're heading up to 12. All right, here on the 12th floor, and we are in the hallway. And when you go all the way down to the very end, and our room will be on one of the sides of the buildings. King Deluxe, best view in the whole resort. There's your ice machine too.
All right, this is the room tour of our Deluxe King here at Aventura. As soon as you walk in, there is a desk and your coffee maker. And you've got a couch here that can pull out if need be. Another little chair there. There is the king bed. And television. Got some closets right here, where you can put all of your luggage and such. You got additional blankets and pillows. There's an iron and a safe to keep your things safe. And next to the bed there's a tablet where you can control all the lighting and stuff here at this hotel. And there is a telephone. You make phone calls on that. That's all you can do. We got some bedside lighting, additional plugs there, USB. But what makes this room deluxe is it is on the corner of this fidget spinner design of a hotel. So you get floor to ceiling glass. What do you call it? Glass. It's not a window, so it's just a glass wall, I guess. But the view is 360 damn near. There is Cabana Bay Beach Resort. And I'm sure if you were over on the other corner, maybe this side, you could see some of Walt Disney World, their fireworks. Again, there's Cabana Bay. And off in the distance there, Islands of Adventure. That building on the left is the backside of Jurassic Park River Adventure. There's Hogwarts Castle. And Dudley Do-Right, Velocicoaster. See it going by there. I don't know if it's going to hit that large loop or not. And big open area to have your party or your friends when family stop by, again, there is a couch that pulls out to a bed. I don't remember this little table the last time we were in one of those rooms. That'll be nice. That's nifty. And there is, again, the theme park view. It's going to look fantastic at night. Oh, there's the Incredible Hulk going. Look at that. Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket behind it and Dr. Doom's Fear Fall. Looking down at the front of the hotel, there's the Zen Garden. And there's Sapphire Falls. And in addition to the other desk there is another little desk on this side. Work desk, workstation, where you can edit some videos and make reservations on your laptop. There's USB plugs, regular plugs. Now this is a USB speaker there, so you can get your old jammy jam on. Listen to the new Beyonce album. Here's the restroom.
Town Hall. There I am, Mr. Nooks and Crannies.
And here's Town Hall, where all the business gets done. Walk-in shower. Very nice. No bars. That's all right. It's a walk-in, so I should have no problem. Here is the sink. Some soap, tissues, and towels. Additional toilet papers, cups. But yeah, it's all about the view here in this deluxe room. If you look off in the distance past the theme parks, there is downtown Orlando. And yeah, staying here for 4 nights. It is my birthday. And I didn't know when I booked it that it was also Easter weekend, so I think we're pretty lucky to have secured this room at the red carpet rate. But it'll be a damn fine time. It always is. So there it is. Deluxe King here at Aventura.
Additionally, we have the fridge here. Well, it's a beverage cooler. It's not a full fridge there, but that's hidden there. And as you exit off the elevators, and out these doors, just by the elevator, there's the pool area. And another thing that I love about this resort is everything is so compact, even the pool area. Once you get off the elevator, you can exit out of those doors there, and you're immediately greeted by the bar soul, yeah. Get yourself a little frozen drink before you head out to the pool. There's also additional seating area for urban pantry out here. And everything is just mere footsteps from your roof. Very convenient. And you can also exit right out of urban pantry into the pool area as well. Say hello, Amy.
Hello, Amy.
There you go. Very nice.
It's so cliche. Suit up for shenanigans. Dabble in tomfoolery. About time we live the dream. Different skullduggery. Suit up for shenanigans. Dabble in tomfoolery. About time we live the dream. Different skullduggery. Suit up for shenanigans. Dabble in tomfoolery. About time we live the dream. Different skullduggery. Suit up for shenanigans. Dabble in tomfoolery. About time we live the dream. Different skullduggery.
All right, it's going to make a bold statement. And I believe these deluxe rooms here at Aventura, facing towards the parks, are the best views at any Universal Orlando hotel. Let's take a look.
I mean, come on now. Looky. Now, that's Sapphire Falls. And of course it doesn't really translate as well on video as it does in real life. But you can see directly into Islands of Adventure. And you can see all of the roller coasters going off. Whether it be Velocicoaster in its top hat, Incredible Hulk in its chute through the tunnel, or that large, near, straight vertical drop for the Hollywood Ride Rocket. But you can see, especially clear during the day, you can see downtown Orlando. You can see the boats going to City Walk. And you can even get some of that kinetic energy of Interstate 4. It's just banging. It's just straight banging. And of course, there's Quebec Bay. You can even see, when the time is right, the fireworks at Walt Disney World. Impressive. Best view at Universal Orlando from a hotel room.
Fight me. That's going to do it for today's adventure. I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies saying, call off the Marines. We're coming home. We'll see you next time. Press like, subscribe, and tell a friend.